This is the trend review for the 17th of January 2025. And today we were opening more bullish. We had a nice run pre-market. And we ended up actually opening just at R4. We ended up selling off, and I wasn't sure if I was gonna do a short or a long. And especially since we had yesterday's high here, I was gonna wait for a crossover of this level to make an entry, as I thought that was gonna be the best trade allocation. But I guess I could have entered with more confidence here at just below R4 once we engulf the previous 2-minute candle with a stop loss of $2. But I was just waiting to see if we were gonna reject here. But I guess by then it's already a confirmation of the R4. But anyways, this was a nice rejection signal, and back in the day I will have taken it for a 3-1, but with a very tight stop loss. But I'm trying to step away from those small moves and focus on the bigger moves. So I decided to stay away from that short, although it was very nice. And I waited, and once we started to reject yesterday's range high, I started to make an entry. I should have waited for a stronger signal, but this definitely looked like an ABCD pattern as well on top of these ranges. But it was a bit too premature. I got stopped out pretty much to the penny on Tesla. You can see here, I placed my stop loss just above R4. I guess I should have waited for a drop to this area and placed my stop loss under R4. But that's what this learning period is for, as I come back to trading. And after we finally had that rejection, getting stopped out to the penny, I realized that you know what, it's a good opportunity to make entry. And I didn't have the timing perfectly, but it was better trade allocation. Made an entry. It was a bit scary to hold here, but it worked out in my favor. We ended up running to my target, which recovered my loss, and we ended up at least at 2R. I could have let it run higher, but we were already within R6 and this daily level, so I felt like he was pushing it a little bit. We had a $10 move, $9 move, so that was good enough for me, and ended up making a 2R here, which is about $50. And I like how I traded this day, because I remained calm despite being stopped out and stuck to the plan. It was obvious that we were gonna be running long, and I didn't make anything stupid like making an entry short. Although this one looked nice, that's just part of the past. And the level 2 was balanced as well, which made it a bit difficult to trade to the long side. I was hoping to see some asks, but it worked out nicely. So it was a very good day. A bit anticipated on the first trade, but I will scratch it as good execution. I respected my stop loss, so cannot complain about it. And this is R4 opens. No, it's a trending R4, so this will be an R4 trending R4 breakout. So it's a B trade, the trade that we fell before. Yes, that was the scary part about taking this trade. Simply that it was balance 1 3R. So yeah, that's it for the trading review for the 17. Very clean trades, I will consider, despite the first one getting stopped out to the penny. If I had been a little bit more lucky, it would have been a really good trade. But that's the nature of